एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स जे कॉलेज आरा। आज के मेरे लेक्चर का टॉपिक है मैट्रिसेस, इट्स कंसेप्ट, एडिशन एंड सब्सट्रैक्शन। अर्थात मैट्रिक्स क्या है, इसकी अवधारणा के बारे में आपको बताना है, साथ ही साथ मैट्रिक्स में एडिशन और सब्सट्रैक्शन कैसे किया जाता है इसके बारे में बतलाना है। Now in real life we do not have to deal with a single magnitude but with a set of magnitudes here. Set of magnitudes. In analysis we treat such a set of magnitudes as a single entity or a single object of thought abstracted by numbers. Now for the sake of simplicity here, we assume that there are three brothers named Ajay A, Vijay B and Chandan C in a family, and that Ajay has a set of 3 pens, 3 shirts, 2 bushirts and 1 tie. Suppose that. Now Vijay has 5 pants, 5 shirts, no bushirt and 2 tie. Chandan has 6 pants, 8 shirts, 5 bushirts and no tie. Now we can arrange this data in the following system: pants P, shirts S, bushirts B, tie T. Brother here A, B, C, Ajay, Vijay, Chandan. Now the data 3, 3, 2, 1. 5, 5, 0, 2. 6, 8, 5, 0. Now this is the first row, second row, third row, and in column, first column, second column, third column and fourth column. Now this system comprises 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number written in such a particular form, in this form of rows and columns, in row and in column, and enclosed by square brackets, this is, or large parenthesis, this one, or double bars are called a matrix. इसे matrix कहते हैं. In other words, a matrix is defined as a rectangular array of elements arranged in rows and columns, and its general form is A equal to A11, A12, dot 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 A1n, A21, A22, dot dot A2n, dot 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 AM1, AM2, dot dot AMN. This is a matrix of n rows and n columns. It is denoted by Aij and is read M by N. It is read as M by N. The first subscript refers to the number of row, first of the I, and the second subscript refers to the number of column to which the element belongs. In general, Aij refers to ith row and jth column. This is the concept of matrices and order of a matrix. If the matrix has total number of elements equal to Mn arranged in m rows and n columns, it is said to be of the order of M by N, which is often written as M by N matrix. Also remember, number first, matrix A equal to matrix B if they have the same order and each element of A is equal to the corresponding element of B. If A equal to A11, A12, A21, A22 and B equal to B11, B12, B21, B22, then A equal to B. If and only if A11 equal to B11, A12 equal to B12, A21 equal to B21 and A22 equal to B22. That is Aij equal to Bij. Now second, matrix of m rows and n column is an M by N matrix if n equal to n. The matrix is a square matrix of order n. Square matrix of order n. And if the matrix consists of only one column, that is A1, A2, A3, it is called matrix or a column vector. It is called a column matrix or column vector. If the matrix consists of only one row, as A1, B1, C1, it is a row matrix or a row vector also. A matrix again is said to be a zero or null matrix if and only if each of its elements is zero here in this case. Now addition and subtraction of matrices. Addition and subtraction of matrices. If the matrices A and B are of the same order, M by N, then they can be added or subtracted. If A equal to Aij and B equal to Bij, then A plus B equal to Aij plus Bij. A minus B equal to Aij minus Bij. This is the concept. In other words, corresponding elements are added or subtracted. The new matrix will be of the same order M by N. In particular, suppose that if A equal to A11, A12, A21, A22 and B equal to B11, B12, B21, B22, then A plus B equal to A11 plus B11, A12 plus B12, A21 plus B21, A22 plus B22, and A minus B equal to A11 minus B11, A12 minus B12, A21 minus B21, A22 minus B22. Also, if A plus B equal to B plus A, commutative laws of addition, it is known as commutative law of addition, and within bracket A plus B plus C equal to A within bracket B plus C, where C is the third matrix here. In this case, C here is third matrix. Where C is the third matrix, it is known as associative law of addition. A plus 0 equal to 0 plus A equal to A. By extending this definition of the addition, we can define scalar matrix as if A equal to A11, A12 dot dot A1n, A21, A22 dot dot A2n dot 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 AM1, AM2 dot dot AMN, then A plus A dot dot plus K times equal to Ka equal to K A11, A12 dot dot A1n, A22, A21, A22 dot dot A2n dot dot AM1, AM2 dot dot AMN equal to K11, A11, Ka12 equal dot dot Ka1n, Ka21, Ka22 dot dot Ka22 dot dot Kam1, Kam2 dot dot Kamn. That is, each element is multiplied by K here. That's all.